Most people assume that just practicing portrait from photo without knowing the basics is enough. That is not the truth. If you know the basics, you will be able to draw more confidently, just like me. You would have done a lot of practice portraits, but surely you would have felt that there is something missing in your portrait and you don't know what and how to correct it. Most artists do the same mistake, just blindly practice without knowing the basics and yet expect result. This is artist RamyaSadasivam. I am a portrait artist for 13 years. I have designed this course for the beginners and intermediate learners. You are taught everything from the basic and gradually taken to the advanced level. So more than 11 plus year kids and any adult can learn from my course. Portrait drawing is challenging, but my course will make it easy for you. Trust me, after completing my course, you will be able to create portraits from photo and life with more confidence. Click on learn more. You will be amazed at the course fee.